new tent. This is a new tent from Deer Creek, and it is a 2-man double layer dome tent, 1 door. So the guys at Deer Creek have been so kind to send this over to me to try it out. So yeah, let's try it out. This weighs 2.5 kg. Comes with an outer back. So once you open this all up, I think this is the outer rain fly. This should be the poles. And in this little pouch, they have provided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pegs and 2 ropes. And this is the inner layer tent. So let's put them all together. First, I will have to identify where the door is, and this looks like the door. So I'm gonna allow the door to face the river. So the classic configuration, just run the pole through all these grooves. And now we do on the other side. inner layer done. Let's move on to the outer rain fly. So gotta first identify the front door. This is the front door. There is an attachment point for the outer rain fly. There are a few ways to do it. You could either use this elastic at the corner and just peg it down over the ground, or peg it through the ring over here, or I think I could just, just hook it over here, but it will not be that hot. So let's see. Try this first, the shortcut way, and move on to the other side. Yep, I think that could work. There are actually many corners of the outer rain fly where you can attach to a tying point, and I think this is to actually encourage airflow underneath the tent for better ventilation. And that's about it. I think I'm done. I think the ventilation shouldn't be an issue because they have got this vent over here, and you've got tie down points to actually make the outer rain fly even more taut for better air circulation and ventilation. And if you and according to your preference, if you like, you could also tie these four corners down, peg them all down to make the outer rain fly even more taut and to encourage better airflow. But I think I'm not going to do that. This should be fine. There's an inner layer of mesh and the door of the inner tent, and this is from the outer tent. The inner layer tent has a breathable material for ventilation, and on top of that, the outer rain fly also has a silver coating on its inner surface, which is great at reflecting heat, so you don't end up getting baked in your tent. It's actually pretty spacious. I could sit up straight. I could make a snow angel. Yeah, I think this is more spacious than I expected. Got pockets here on both sides. So this is the Deer Creek 2-man Tempest one-door dome tent. It's actually pretty easy to set up, and I think this tent is suitable for solo campers like myself. And for 2 person it may be a little bit squeezy, but for 1 person it's plenty of room. And it's got 2 layers, it's waterproof, and the best part is it's very, very affordable. So if you're interested, I will leave the link down in the description below. The good news is if you become a member of Deer Creek, you are eligible for a 10% discount. So waste no time. I think this is a good entry level tent for anyone who wants to, get started on camping. Try it out. So my experience trying out this tent for the first time was pretty good. When I was camping, it rained quite heavily, but I couldn't really test its performance in the rain as the campsite provides a pretty big flysheet above. Now, despite having only one door, ventilation in the tent was better than I expected. As a person who is heat intolerant and easily claustrophobic, I was actually pretty impressed by how comfortably I slept in this tent. A very good morning. I had a good night's sleep in this tent. And one thing I would like to share is that despite having only just one door, this tent has a pretty good ventilation, I must say, because I did not feel suffocated at all, and in fact I could actually feel a cool breeze throughout the night and I slept really well. And as you can see, there's a mosquito screen here and there's a vent on the other side of the tent. Keeps the tent well ventilated. And this is in a really nice light khaki color. Yeah, it's a nice color. Here are more details on this tent for your information. Overall, I think this tent is great for solo campers. Easy to set up and take down, it's lightweight, also suitable for those going on a hike and camp trip. Ventilation in the tent is great, and to be honest, at a price of only about 200 ringgit, the quality is pretty impressive. Hopefully I get to test its performance in heavy rains and strong winds on my next trip. Till then, thanks for watching, like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.